Hey everybody, John Peterson here. I am out along the Central Oregon coast waiting for sunset. I'm at probably one of my favorite spots along the coast. It's called Bob's Beach, or Bob Beach, right next to Bob Creek. This location gives you so much potential to work with, from wave action, water motion, rocks, tide pools, macros, you name it. This spot forever produces or can produce some great results. So I'm here just kind of waiting around a little bit for sunset, and then I might shoot the Milky Way a little bit later. But yeah, here, let me give you a little tour around the beach. Take a look.